Good morning, children. In the last video, we have started properties of whole numbers, in which we have studied properties of addition and properties of subtraction. Okay, so I am revising it. What were the properties of addition? First, closure property. In this, when you add any two whole number, you get again the whole number. 10 plus 8, 10 and 8 both are whole numbers, and 18 is also a whole number. Okay. Second property, commutative property. In this we have read that whatever is the order, हम चाहे किसी भी order में लिखें a plus b or b plus a, answer will be same. Like here, either we write 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, answer will be 5. Okay. Third property, associative property. And in associative property we have read, if a, b, c are whole numbers, then a plus b together plus c is equals to a plus b plus c together. That means हम कैसे भी grouping करें, answer will be same. Suppose we have three numbers 4, 5 and 3. So if I group 4 plus 5, then 4 plus 5 9, and then plus 3, 9 plus 3 12. Similarly, if I group here 5 and 3 together, so 5 plus 3 8, and then I add 4, 4 plus 8 12. That means whatever is the order, I am getting the same answer. Okay, so this is your associative property. Fourth property was identity for addition. Identity for addition means if you add any whole number with 0, you will get the same number. 7 plus 0, 7. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 15, 15. That's why here 0 was called as additive identity. Okay. So these were the properties of addition. Now here, properties of subtraction. Same properties, closure, commutative, associative, additive, and one else was there. So here what we have read, that closure property does not hold good for subtraction. Why? That means here if I subtract two whole numbers, suppose 5 minus 3 2, यहाँ तो ये whole number है, 8 minus 8 0, ये भी whole number है. But if I subtract 3 from 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, here minus 1 is not a whole number. So and it is not important that in every case of subtraction you get the whole number. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जब भी आप subtraction करो आपको whole number मिले. That's why closure property is not applicable in subtraction. Okay. Next, commutative property. Again 4 minus 3 1, but 3 minus 4 minus 1. That means if I change the order, answer will become different. So commutative property does not hold good for subtraction. ये भी applicable नहीं होता. Third, associative property. 5 minus 2 minus 1. So 5 minus 2 3. 3 minus 1 2. Here 5 minus 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 1. Then 5 minus 1 4. Again we are getting different answer. Different answer मिला. So what we are watching? That associative property is also not applicable for subtraction. यहाँ पे ध्यान देने वाली बात ये है कि क्लोजर, commutative, associative property addition में applicable था, but in subtraction it is not applicable. Again, property 4, if 0 is subtracted from a whole number, then the result is number itself. यदि हम 0 को किसी भी whole number से subtract करते हैं, then we get the same whole number. 5 minus 0 5, 6 minus 0 6, 27 minus 0 27. ठीक है. Now fifth property, if a, b, c are whole numbers such that a minus b is equals to c, then b plus c is equals to a. कैसे? For example, 18 minus 7 11, but if I add 11 with 7, I will get 18. So these were 5 properties of subtraction. Today we will start properties of multiplication and division. Okay, properties of multiplication. Let us see. Again same properties. Closure property. The product of any two whole number is a whole number. A into B is equals to C. Suppose A आपके पास दो होल नंबर है 2 and 3. So what will be the product? 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 5 and 4. तो 5 into 4 is equals to 20. Here all are whole numbers. यहाँ पे सभी क्या हैं? Whole numbers. So closure property is applicable for multiplication. Okay. Again commutative property. If A and B are whole numbers, then A into B is equals to B into A. Again यहाँ पे देखो हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिखें. If I write in any order 6 into 2, 2 into 6, the product will be same. हम कहें 6 2s are 12 और 2 6s are 12. Both will be same. Okay. Now third associative property. If A, B, C are whole numbers, then A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. अगेन वी आर ग्रुपिंग हेयर. हम यहाँ पे ग्रुपिंग कर रहे हैं. तो यदि हम फर्स्ट टू होल नंबर्स को ग्रुप करें फिर थर्ड से मल्टीप्लाई करें, देन सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 into 3 into 4. सो वी आर फर्स्ट फाइंडिंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द नंबर्स इनसाइड ब्रैकेट. 2 3 जा 6, 6 into 4 24. यहाँ पे देखो 2 into 3 into 4. तो first we will multiply inside bracket. 3 4 जा 12. Now 2 into 12 24. So in both case answer is same. That means associative property holds good for multiplication. Okay. Now fourth property, identity of multiplication. We have read identity of addition in properties of addition. What was there? 0. If I add any number with 0, I will get the same number. Similarly here, if you multiply any whole number with 1, it will give you the same number. If A is whole number, then 1 into A is equals to A. यदि हम किसी होल नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हमें सेम नंबर मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 into 5 is equals to 5. 1 into 129 is equals to 129. Okay. Now fifth, the product of any number and 0 is 0. Fifth property ये है कि if you multiply any number with 0, आप किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करो किसी भी ऑर्डर में, the answer will be 0. आपको 0 ही मिलेगा. 1 into 0 0, 10 into 0 0, 25 into 0 0. So we can write if A is any number, then A into 0 is equals to 0. Okay. Sixth property, distributive property. Children, it is very important. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आपको सॉल्व करने को भी मिलेंगे. So listen carefully this property. Distributive means जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जा सके. So here if A, B, C are 3 whole numbers, then we can write A into B plus C. हम A into B plus C को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? First I will multiply A with B. A into B plus sign will become here. Now A into C. फिर A को C के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. That means ये जो दो नंबर आपके ब्रैकेट में थे उसमें हमने A को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया, मतलब बांट दिया. एक बार B को दिया, एक बार C को दिया. ओके. हेयर अगेन A प्लस बी इंटू सी. यहाँ पे देखो A प्लस बी आपका ब्रैकेट में है तो हमने C को A प्लस बी के साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. A इंटू सी प्लस B इंटू सी, है ना. अगेन A इंटू बी माइनस सी. साइन से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, चाहे वो प्लस हो चाहे माइनस. वी हैव टू जस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. हमें सिर्फ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो A इंटू बी माइनस A इंटू सी. To make you understand this more clearly, I am giving you example. Suppose the number is 2 into 3 plus 4. ठीक है. सो हाउ वी विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे? फर्स्ट 2 इंटू 3 प्लस आ गया यहाँ पे, नाउ 2 इंटू 4। अब हम चेक करते हैं कि दोनों केस में आंसर इज सेम और नॉट। सो फर्स्ट 3 प्लस 4 7, नाउ 2 इंटू 7 14। यहाँ पे चेक करते हैं, 2 इंटू 3 6, 2 इंटू 4 8, 6 प्लस 8 14। दैट मीन्स इन बोथ द केसेस आंसर इज सेम। सो आप यहाँ पे a इंटू बी प्लस सी को a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी लिख सकती हो. You can write like this. Okay. Similarly, another example, 2 plus 3 into 4. So first 4 will be multiplied with 2 and then multiplied with 3. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4. यहाँ पे चेक करो, 2 plus 3 5, 5 into 4 20. यहाँ पे 2 into 4 8, 3 into 4 12, 8 plus 12 20. Again both the cases answer is same. Now next 2 into 9 minus 7. So first 2 will be multiplied with 9. 2 into 9 minus 2 into 7. Again answers are same. So this is the distributive property. Last property of multiplication, if a, b, c are whole numbers and c is not equal to 0. ए बी सी होल नंबर्स है और सी ज़ीरो के इक्वल नहीं है, देन ए इंटू सी, ए और सी का प्रोडक्ट विल बी ग्रेटर देन बी एंड सी प्रोडक्ट, बी और सी के प्रोडक्ट से बड़ा होगा. वेयर ए इज़ ग्रेटर देन बी, कंडीशन क्या है? ए हमेशा बी से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. लेट अस सी, इफ़ ए इज इक्वल्स टू 5, बी इज इक्वल्स टू 4, सी इज इक्वल्स टू 3. व्हाट आर यू वाचिंग हियर? सी इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 and a is greater than b. So let us check, a into c 5 into 3 and b into c 4 into 3. 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so what are you getting? That a into c is greater than b into c.